Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and you all must be taking very good care of yourselves too. Very good, very good. So what we were discussing in our previous class, in these classes we are actually learning that how we are going to construct different types of angles, right? Excuse me. And so far we have learned how to draw a right angle, which was quite easy. And then we discussed some steps of making an acute angle, that how we are going to construct acute angle by using a protractor. Okay? And in today's class, we are going to continue where we stopped in our previous class. So in today's class, we are going to talk about obtuse angle, straight angle and reflex angle. Reflex angle is quite easy, straight angle is very easy, and obtuse angle is also very easy. It is very easy to construct these angles. I am sure that when you'll start practicing, you'll find them interesting, easy as well. Okay, so are you guys ready? Take out your books, page number 173. Okay, obtuse angles. The step to construct an obtuse angle with the help of protractor are as follows. जो steps हैं basically obtuse angle को बनाने के लिए protractor की help से are as follows. वो यहाँ पे given हैं. Step number 1, draw a straight line BC. Okay, this is B and C. First of all, you have to make one straight line and then put a dot at the vertex B, where you are going to make another line of angle, or you can say ray as well. Okay, place a dot and then place a protractor with its point 0 on the point B. जो D आपकी protractor होता है ना, वहाँ पे point middle में एक center में एक dot होता है, which is known as 0 as well. ठीक है, 0 के middle में 0 or middle, basically it is also known as arm. Okay, on the point B of the line segment BC. Step 4 is place the center of the protractor at B. Place the center of the protractor at B. Mark point A next to the 120 mark on the protractor. Mark point A at so what we are making is an obtuse angle. Alright, place the center of the protractor at B. Mark point A to the next to the 120 mark, जहाँ पे angle का dot जा रहा है, basically 120 degrees. You have to put dot over there and you have to name that dot A. Easy? I hope you think it is easy. But yeah, all right. And once you put the dot over there, the next step is going to be you have to join the line of point A to the vertex B, and then you'll see the angle will be constructed, which is given on page number 174. On the top of this page you can see an obtuse angle is ready. So these were the steps to make an obtuse angle. Now take out your D, as well as you can say D or protractor, these two we call it. All right, तो अपनी notebooks निकालें. You can practice these questions in your rough work, rough book, rough register. Obviously you will practice more. All right, join points A and B, the angle is constructed. तो कुछ questions निकालें, खुद से कोशिश करें. आपको पता है obtuse angle क्या होता है? An angle which is greater than 90 but less than 180 degrees. तो 70 डिग्री का एंगल बनाए, नहीं 100 डिग्री का एंगल बनाए, 120, 30, 140, 150, 160. ठीक है, खुद से ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल को बनाएं, ड्रॉ करें ताकि आपके लिए इजी हो जाए. यू विल सी यू डोंट हैव टू फॉलो ऑल दीज स्टेप्स. इट विल बी वेरी क्विक once you will do more practice. Okay, yeah, so let's move to the straight angle. It is very easy and there are no much steps, only 4. Yeah, these steps are exaggerated, but you can end the story in 2 steps as well. Okay, the step to construct a straight angle with the help of protractor are as follows. स्ट्रेट एंगल को कंस्ट्रक्ट करने के जो स्टेप्स हैं वो गिवन है. Step number 1, draw a straight line OA using a ruler with an overhead at A. ठीक है, you have to draw a straight line naming O and A with a ruler overhead at A. Then now place the protector on this line such that the baseline of the protector is adjusted over OA. Now place the protector on the line such that the baseline of the protector is adjusted over 0A. The point A should be facing towards the 0 degrees of the protector. Point A जो है वो face कर रहा हो 0 degree की तरफ, and point B should be 0 as well. Alright, अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम change कर रहे हैं rotation. We are basically हम नोटिस कहाँ से करेंगे एंगल को, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे 2 स्केल्स बने हुए हैं. एक स्केल यहाँ से 0 का स्टार्ट हो रहा है और एक स्केल 0 का यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. तो कीप दिस इन माइंड. ऑलराइट, वी आर ड्राइंग अ स्ट्रेट एंगल विच इज़ 180 degrees. Now mark the point starting from 0 which is here, moving toward 180 degrees, and the one point is going to be over there on point A, and B on the reaching 180 degree mark point B on the paper. Now let's move to next page which is 175. And the top of this page you can see the step number 4. आपने क्या करना है, आप लाइन ड्रॉ कर देनी है, and you have to make sure that you have to make this mark and write 180 degree which will show that this is a straight angle. Straight angle. Alright, very good. Now I want you all to practice reflex angle by your own. Study about it, practice it, look at the steps which are very easy. And yeah, I'm sure that you guys are very smart, and please don't forget to submit your homeworks to your teachers. Practice, which is the key. Alright, you can't do maths without practicing if you want to become better in maths. So we will meet in next class with some very interesting questions related to angles, inshallah, and triangles we are going to discuss in next class, inshallah. Till then, take very good care of yourselves and goodbye.